Palesa Madisakwane, Somizi, thank you for making sure I stay beautiful. Somizi Mhlongo has once again proven what it means to be a true friend and co-parent to your baby mama, after he stepped in to help Bahumi's mother Palesa Madisakwane after she was involved in a head-on collision. The accident, which happened more than a week ago on Witkopen Road in Johannesburg North, was allegedly caused by a drunk driver. Palesa sustained injuries including one that left a big scar on her forehead. As a TV personality, Palesa was worried that this would affect her job opportunities, so Somizi dragged her to an aesthetic doctor. Thank you Dr. Nicole Conneris for taking care of my face. Somizi, thank you for making sure I stay beautiful, dragging me to see Dr. Nicole Conneris. Palesa documented the whole process on her Instagram, with pictures and videos. She also took time to explain the process of reconstructive plastic surgery. The plastic surgeon Dr. Mia had to take off stitches done at the public hospital and then construct and restitch on my scar. Thank you Dr. Mia for the reconstructive surgery. I'm very happy with the results and healing. She once again took the time to thank her angels, the strangers who stopped to help her and her daughter, after the accident occurred. I want to thank the Dlathu family for all the love and support. Thanks to Jakes for being the first on the scene at the accident. Thank you very much to all the people who stopped their cars to assist us in the scene. You are my angels and you have taught me humanity once more, she said.